Had a little inside action out there.
And the Kawasaki and the Yamaha wars begin. There is crashing on the first turn. Riders coming off of the berms. One of them is on a Takati. Marty Hart has flipped end over end. There are 4 or 5 riders down in the first turns. You look there, they rolled him over in a field of green. I would have said it earlier, the only way that American Honda could not capture a title here today was if they didn't compete, if they broke or got pushed down. And Marty Hart rolls over on the first lap. We just traded hats. Up front, he won the Boyd, Texas race. Support Kawasaki rider number 7 from Garner, North Carolina. He loves this rough racetrack. Steve Mendenhall. Denny Fennell. Sean Finley. Dangerous Denny Fennell. The Woodland Warrior from the Pacific Northwest is number 2. Denny Fennell, Sean Finley. The first Honda in is Roger Bowman from Fort Dodge, Iowa, the privateer. And everything changes. Where's Jimmy White? Where's Marty Hart? Johnny Loose in the back of the pack. 2 more positions up is Marty Hart. He is 120 yards back of the leaders. He has flat got some catching up to do. The leader is Steve Mendenhall. The Southern boy with the accent from Garner, North Carolina. Let the South lead the Northwest on a Takati by Kawasaki. A86 KXT 250, they are flying. Oh, hard to believe that Marty would roll over in the first lap. 20 minutes, he could catch him. You've seen it done at the Supercross at 20 and 40-minute motos. You've seen it in the Trans Ams. Riders come from dead last to score a victory. But these KXTs are double quick. My, are they fast. The liquid cooled Kawasaki integrated power valve Kip Performance Takati. Named for the Mexican city. They are as hot as the temperatures are in Mexico. Takati, Steve Mendenhall. Dangerous Denny Fennell, number 6, a young rider, a lightweight rider. And a little guy at that. From El Cajun, California, Sean Finley is 3rd. Fifth is Ronnie Mado. Dallas, Yamaha, and Kawasaki. A Yamaha is number 5 in the World Championship race here at the Coyote Park. And way back in the pack, world champion, former world champion, Takati's Jimmy White, riding for all he's worth. He is 7, 8, 9 positions off the leaders, Sully. And behind him is John Neary. Further back is Marty Hart. Hart's picked up 2, 3, 4 positions on the last lap. If the rear fenders can stay bolted to these 86 KXT Kawasaki's, they can pull off a 1, 2, 3, and 4 victory. The closest one to them. Number 159 is Roger Berman from Fort Dodge, Iowa. What an incredible turn of events. The main event isn't over until you clock 22 minutes. What a race. Green leads the red. Yamaha moving up. You look at this cyclocross, fans. Here comes number 466, Willie McGill from Dallas, Yamaha, and Kawasaki. Ronnie McGill from Dallas.